Fruit custard. Is your mouth watering? It's creamy, it's fruity, it's the perfect dessert. The best part, it's easy to make. Yes, you can do it. Let's gather our ingredients. You need milk. Full fat is best. The richness of full-fat milk will give our custard a velvety texture that's simply irresistible. You need sugar. You decide how sweet you want it. Some prefer a subtle sweetness, while others like it more pronounced. Vanilla extract is next. A tiny bit goes a long way. Just a few drops will infuse our custard with a delightful aroma and flavor. And, of course, eggs. Eggs make the custard thick and creamy. They are the backbone of our recipe, providing structure and richness. Lastly, your favorite fruits. Fresh fruits add a burst of color and natural sweetness. Choose whatever is in season or your personal favorites. Strawberries, blueberries, mangoes, or even a mix of berries can elevate the custard to a whole new level. Now that we have all our ingredients, we are ready to start creating our delicious custard. Each component plays a crucial role in achieving the perfect balance of flavors and textures. So, let's get started and make something truly delightful. Pour the milk into a saucepan. Heat it gently. Don't let it boil. The key here is to warm the milk just enough so that it starts to steam, but not bubble. This gentle heating helps to create a smooth and creamy custard base. If the milk boils, it can cause the custard to curdle later on. In a bowl, whisk the eggs and sugar. Make sure to use a large bowl to give yourself plenty of room to whisk vigorously. The sugar should dissolve completely into the eggs, creating a smooth and slightly thick mixture. This step is crucial for the texture of the final custard. Whisk until it's light and fluffy. This means the mixture should be pale in color and have a bit of volume. The air you incorporate now will help give the custard a light and airy texture. Take your time with this step. Patience is key. Now slowly pour the warm milk into the egg mixture. Do this gradually, whisking constantly to combine. This process is called tempering, and it helps to slowly raise the temperature of the eggs without cooking them. If you pour the milk too quickly, you risk scrambling the eggs. Stir it all the time. Constant stirring ensures that the mixture heats evenly and prevents the eggs from cooking too quickly. This step is essential for achieving a smooth and creamy custard. Use a wooden spoon or a heat-resistant spatula for the best results. This is important so the eggs don't cook. If the eggs cook, you'll end up with a lumpy custard instead of a smooth one. Keep the heat low and be patient. The end result will be worth the effort, giving you a rich and velvety custard that's perfect for any dessert. Pour the mixture back into the saucepan. Heat it gently again. Stir all the time. It will thicken slowly. The key here is patience. You don't want to rush this process because the texture of your custard depends on it. Keep the heat low and steady, and make sure to stir continuously to prevent any lumps from forming. This step is crucial for achieving that smooth, velvety consistency that makes custard so delightful. As you stir, you'll notice the mixture gradually becoming thicker and more cohesive. This is exactly what you want. The transformation is subtle but significant, and it's a sign that you're on the right track. You'll know it's ready when it coats the back of a spoon. This is a classic test for custard. Dip a wooden spoon into the mixture and lift it out. If the custard clings to the back of the spoon and forms a thick layer, it's done. You can also run your finger through the custard on the spoon. If it leaves a clear line, your custard has reached the perfect consistency. This simple test ensures that your custard is neither too runny nor too thick, but just right. Take it off the heat. Once your custard has thickened to the right consistency, it's important to remove it from the heat immediately to prevent overcooking. Overcooked custard can become grainy and lose its smooth texture. So, be vigilant and act quickly. Transfer the saucepan to a cool surface and get ready for the next step. Stir in the vanilla extract. Adding vanilla at this stage enhances the flavor of your custard. Use pure vanilla extract for the best results. Pour it in and stir gently but thoroughly, ensuring that the vanilla is evenly distributed throughout the mixture. This will give your custard a rich, aromatic quality that elevates its taste. Now let it cool completely. Pour the custard into a bowl and set it aside to cool at room temperature. Cooling allows the flavors to meld and the texture to set. Once it has cooled down, you can cover it with plastic wrap and refrigerate it. Chilling the custard will further thicken it and make it even more luscious. Be patient, as this final step is essential for achieving the perfect texture. Section 5. Fruitastic. Now for the fun part. Fruit. Wash and chop your favorites. Strawberries, blueberries, peaches, anything goes. You can even use canned fruit if you like. Just make sure to drain it well. Section 6. Sweeten the deal. Want it sweeter? Make a sugar syrup. Heat equal parts water and sugar in a pan. Stir until the sugar dissolves. Let it cool. Pour it over your fruit. Now your fruit salad is shiny and delicious. Section 7. Presentation is everything. Spoon the cooled custard into glasses or bowls. Add your beautiful fruit salad on top. Want to be fancy? Add a dollop of whipped cream, or a sprinkle of chopped nuts, maybe a sprig of mint. Let your creativity shine. Section 8. Healthy and delicious. This dessert is not just tasty, it's good for you too. Fresh fruit is packed with vitamins. Homemade custard is better than store-bought. You control the ingredients. You control the sweetness. Section 9. Enjoy. There you have it. Fruit custard made with love. Share it with your loved ones. They will be impressed. You did it. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious content.